In this quick tutorial video, let's explore how to use Google AI Studios for text AI. Whether you're trying to write an email, brainstorm ideas, or just have a creative chat, let me show you how to use Google AI Studios to generate text for free. Now, once you head over to the Google AI Studios, make sure you head over to the chat section. Once you're inside of the chat section, you just need to add in a prompt of whatever you're trying to generate. Let's say you're planning a party and need ideas. You can add in a simple prompt like this and hit run. And instantly we have a list of fun and detailed themes that we can use for parties. Now this is just an example of how you can use text. As I said, you can use text for various purposes. You can use it for business, for education, or for productivity as well. Just type in the prompt of whatever you're trying to generate. Make the prompt as detailed as possible so that you can get concise answers. Also, you can select the Gemini models on the top right of the screen. If you want quick answers, make sure you select the flash option. And if you want detailed answers, make sure you select the 2.5 Pro. Other than this, what you can also do is head over to the temperature section. If you slide the temperature up, the AI's response will be more creative and random, and if you slide it down, they'll be more focused and predictable. It's a great tool for playing around with different styles that you might have. So that's basically it for this video. That was a quick tutorial on how to use Google AI Studios for text AI. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.